This is the incredible Bauer C 500 XLM with manual and with original bag as well. Incredibly compact when the handle is folded. This camera very simple but with incredible lens, in great condition, as new, literally working great. This is a gem. As you can see, nearly no scratches, as brand new. So let's test it out. Clean body compartment, clean lid. On the side there are some signs that you need to follow, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. Put the batteries in, double A batteries, 4 of them. Close the lid. You might need a coin to close that. And voila, very smoothly working. Single frame, 18 frames per second and slow motion. Zoom works well, slowly but well. And manual zoom works as well. Both automatic and manual zoom work well. Clean lens, focus works great. The camera is literally as brand new. We always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin, so if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. That's an old school Kodachrome 40, also called K40. As you can see, we marked it. Put it in, close the lid, shoot several seconds, open, and let's see what's happening there. As you can see, straight film, no mark there anymore. So the film gate and the motor work together very well. As said, simple camera, but quite a lot of features and as brand new. So enjoy your new Super 8 camera.